Hi students, how are you? Look at the board. See, Indian national movement, early phase. So this chapter is completed. Just we are going to recall the main points. Okay, see here, early associations, that is the early phase from the 1885 to 1990, and the early phase. See here, and between this period, what happened in India? Early associations. See here, first before the 1857 before, and India ruled by the Mughal rulers. Okay, after Mughals defeated by the Britishers, and next established the British government. And here why the Britishers, how they are entering into the in India for the trade purpose. Okay, see here 1498 Vasco da Gama discovered the sea route to India and reached the Calicut and made a deal with Mughal rulers to enter into the trade. See here 1857 they are entering into the trade, they are establishing the trade markets in India, and after that they are entering into our politics and commanding over the Indians. So here some of the people are treated very low in the society, and next they are treated like a slave, and here the Britishers and exploited our goods to their foreign countries. Okay, and spices like that, they are exporting our goods to their countries. So, and the next one is the injustice in the society. That is, they are given the priority to the only foreigners. They are not given the priority to the Indians, but there is no justice in India. So, these are the main reasons, and some of the Indians and want to fight against the British rule. They want to free from the British rule. Here, what is this lesson? Main idea is, the total lesson idea is, the Indians want to free from the British rule. What is the main objective? They want to free from the foreign control, or they want to free from the British rule. They want to get the independency. So these are the main ideas. But these ideas are changed in the phases. The first phase is called the moderate phase. Moderate phase, who are the leaders? The main leader is Dadabhai Naoroji, and he was established the East India Association in the year 1866, and he was mobilized, and he was gathering the people, and he was implementing his ideas in the throughout these associations. So next, another educated and who are studying the English medium, that people are educated and get the knowledge about the democratic system and socialistic ideas, and they want to unite India and fight against the British government. So here at the time of the 1857 there was no any unity among the Indians. Okay, the revolutions in the broke out in the different regions. In the North India, Uttar Pradesh, in that areas, and Meerut, these places broke out the revolutions, and next another places also. So like that in South India also, different places the agitations were started by the Indians against the British government. But finally the Uttar Pradesh and the Meerut, Mangal Pandey, when he was executed by the Britishers, and he was the first revolt of the against the British government. After that, these people are people want to unite, and they want to need the establish of the associations. Okay, so here they want to establishing the associations, and they come to unite in India, and they were started the struggle against the British government. See, let us see here Indian National Congress. After establishment of the one of the East India Association, they want to implementing the democratical ideas, and they want to establishing the one strong association, and that is established by the INC, established by the Hume. And who are established INC? INC means, what is INC? INC means Indian National Congress. It was established by the Hume. He was the British official. Okay, are you getting idea? So here this is the main ideology or object. What is the main aim or objective of the Indian National Congress at the first session? Here the 72 delegates are attending to the Indian National Congress meeting. At Mumbai it was conducted, and 72 delegates are attending this meeting, and they were the first president of Indian National Congress was W.C. Banerjee. And who was the first president of Indian National Congress? W.C. Banerjee, that is Umesh Chandra Banerjee. Okay. So nearly 72 delegates are attending, and what they were doing in this meeting or session, they were discussing about the main problems of the India, and what is the problems are created or happened by the British government. Here in the what is the social positions of the Indians, what is the economical positions of the Indians. So here what is the justice, here the injustice is there, and people are suppressed by the Indians, are suppressed by the British government. So many problems, not only one or two problems here. So they are collecting the more taxes from the people. Here the Jamindari system is there. Okay, peasants are there, peasants, farmers, and king. The king appointed the Jamindaris, and Jamindari collected the taxes from the peasants or the landlords or the farmers. These are the 90% or 80%, they are submitted to the Britishers, the remaining they took. Okay, see here like that. These are the taxes is also one of the major problems of the Indians. They want to resolution, they want to find the resolutions for the these things, and discussing these main things in the first session in the Indian National Congress. Okay, so are you understanding what is the first aim of the Indian National Congress? The next they want to get the that is the democratic system want to establish in India. Okay, see, look at the here. The first way is here the some of the leaders, Dadabhai Naoroji, Arvind Ghosh, and some of the leaders, and they have started the moderate period, that is 1885 to 1905. Between this period is called the moderate period. Moderate that means what is the main purpose of these moderate leaders? The main how they are followed here non-violence method. They are requesting to the British government. What they are requesting, for example, if there is no justice in the society, there is no employment in the society, but they are not conducting any positions or demonstrations in the outside. They are not raised their voice against the British government. Okay, they did not say any slogans against the British government. But here what they are doing? They are giving the petition and a request, protest. They are begging like a beggar. They are begging, please give me employment. So like that they are asking to the British government, and please solve these problems. Like that they are going the way is requesting method, protesting method, prayer method. So this is the followed by the moderate leaders. So next here, this is the one of the reason, and they are believed also, the British government, ruling of the British government, and is the best for India. So some of the leaders thought like that. Okay, see here, and next one is the moderate phase from the 1885 to 1905. So what is the first importance of the 1857 importance? First revolt against the British government, and the next one is the 1866. What is that is East India Association established by the Dadabhai Nauroji. And the next one is the 1885 importance, established the Indian National Congress. What is the importance of the 1885 is the Indian National Congress established, and particular day is the December 28. So because now present Indian National Congress also celebrate every year their inauguration day at the time of the December 28. So that is the reason. And 1885, see here, moderate period is only requesting and protesting and prayer method. They follow the prayer methods. So next one, what is extremist phase? This is the from the 1905 to and 1920. This is the main important period. See here, in this period, extremist period means that they are not requesting. For example, moderate leaders are they requested to the British government, please provide the employment, please give the justice. They are begging like that. And here these modern extremist leaders not like that. They are aggressive of the British government. They did not believe the Britishers. They want to fight against the foreign control. So these are the, they said one, here extremists also said, moderates are beggars. Why should we begging the British government? They came to here for the trade purpose, but they are controlling over us. It is not a correct. So so like that we should fight against the foreign control, like that the agitation started by the extremist leaders. See here, they combined work together against the British government, and after here they were started the Swadeshi movement. Swadeshi movement started 1903 and it was continued 1905. So here one problem in the 1905. See here what is the importance here 1903. The Swadeshi movement are started. And in the extremist Swadeshi movement, who are the important leaders? Bal Gangadhar Tilak is the one of the leader. Bipin Chandrapal, Lala Lajpat Rai. And these are the extremist leaders and main leaders of this page. See here, and partition of Bengal 1905 importance is the partition of Bengal. Here the majority of the people living in the Bengal, Hindus and Muslims. So here they are united and work together against the British government, but the British government they want to make them weak. So because they want to implement the divide and rule policy. So divide and rule policy implemented in the Bengal, here they want to separating the Hindus and Muslims. So they want to implement the divide and rule. So here these people are not obeyed to the British government. They want to separate it and they want to unite the Bengal. So here the Muslims and Hindus also given the slogans against the British government. So what is the slogans here? Hindu Muslims are bye bye. What is the slogan? Hindu Muslims are bye bye. So they are tied the Rockies also. They are showing the brotherhood. They are showing the Indians or Muslims are brothers and sisters. Why should we separate? So we should fight against the British government. And they said like that. And but it is necessary to divide it by the British government. Bengal two parts. That is Bengal divided two parts in the year 1905 by the Lord Curzon. And who divided Bengal two parts? Lord Curzon, who is the one of the important Governor General of India. That is the here importance of the 1905. So here the extremist leaders, and here the another moderates and extremists. See here, and 1907, one of the important thing is, and 1902 also one of the important days are there, and 1900 7 is the Indian National Congress conducting the sessions. Surat session, that is a Surat session, and here the moderates and the Indian National Congress are separated. Indian National Congress separated at Surat, and that is the importance here, that they had the different ideas to get the freedom from the British government. So because at the Surat sessions they are divided the two parts. And here another important 1902 is the Krishna Patrika, that is the newspaper, and it was established in the year 1902 in Machilipatnam. So the Krishna Patrika founder is Mutnuri Krishna Rao, and he was first from the beginning he was the sub-editor, and he was continued until 1945. After that he was becoming a editor. So here Krishna Patrika and the newspaper played an important role to give the knowledge to the information to the people and mobilizing the people, motivating the people, and played an important role at the time of the 1902 and between the 1945. That is a long period, and given the great information to the people. And next in those periods here given the good information about the 1907 importance. 1917 Russian Revolution. See, Russian Revolution is the one of the important, but here before the Russian Revolution started the 1914 and 1914 to 18, and First World War broke out in the world. First World War broke out in the world. So here Britain, France, Russia is one group, and Germany, Allies is the one group. But Austrian king is executed by the or killed by the Serbian civilian. So this is the reason. And what is the reason killed the prince of the Archduke Ferdinand? Asked the question to Serbia, but Serbia is not given the answer to the Austria. So Austria announced the First World War. So this is the reason they announced here, given the Serbia get the support from the other countries. So like that, this is the happening in the, so in that time 1917 and Russian Revolution, internal conflict in the Russia. So because they want to withdraw from the World War I, Russia withdraw from the World War I in the year 1917. The reason, internal conflict. This is the reason. And next, the moderates and extremists, the First World War, and next 1917, and next the Britishers they want to raise their funds. So because they want to collecting the tax from the Indians, and they are imposed the tax on the salt and some different kinds of the food items. So matches and sugar. So like that they are imposed the taxes on these goods. So because they are not ready to pay the taxes, because the people want to fight and want to free from the British rule. Okay, are you understanding the chapter? Okay, very good. And read the textbook. This is the 11th A chapter, and when you are reading the textbook, and underline the important points with pencil and note down, and next fill the worksheet with the help of the textbook. Okay, so next and read the inbox questions also. Inbox questions are the very, very important. And this is the, see here, and national leaders photos also collected. So this is the chapter completed. We will meet next class. Thank you.